see when we turn on the ignition, you see that there's a light that pops up, and this is it. Please check oil level. So probably it may be the oil level is low, or it's having an oil level sensor issue. So what we do firstly, we check the oil level. That's a dipstick. We check the level it is at the moment, and as well after that we run a computer diagnosis scan, so we'll know what to do after that. Okay, now we're done with the diagnosis. What we're seeing here is map sensor, master flow meter, throttle position sensor correlation, intake air system leak, tank lead unlock activation, remote control key, voltage too low, supply voltage, and light control, low beam light bulb. So I don't think all these are related to this check oil level light showing on my dash. So what we do next is we confirm if the oil level is okay at the normal level mark, because it has a dipstick out there, and if that is correct, then we'll go straight up to check our oil level sensor. Probably the sensor may be bad, or there's a loose connection at the sensor. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the four doors are open, likewise the back boot. See, you can see the front bonnet is open, but there is no indication that it is open. So to perform this process of this check oil level light, we have to make sure there is an indication that the front bonnet is open. You can see the doors. We're going to close this back one. Close this. We close this. Okay. We have just the driver's side open and the hood. You see? Now the hood is open, but there's no indication here that it's open. So what we do next? Okay. Now this is the hood wire. We join both together with a wire. Good. Okay. Then we leave it that way. Now we can see the hood is showing that it is open. That is, we're having a bad lock switch, or a lock sensor that should show that the bonnet is open. So we can go on with our reset of our check oil level light. Okay, here we go. Okay, you can see. Okay, now let's check and see what we have.
تنفس ضباط قوات الدفاع الجوي السعداء بعد تصديهم للدفعة الأولى من 7 صواريخ باليستية، ثم بعدها بدقائق 10 صاروخا بالتعاون مع قوات التحالف الأمريكية.